Hello, my unapologetic family. It is day 2 of our Vlogmas Paintmas sessions. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this banging purple camouflage butterfly look, grab your pink kicks and do stick around. Hello, teddies. It is your beautiful friendly and Whitney, and back with another video, guys. I'm super elated. We are at 500 subscribers. Yes, let me do it again. 100 subscribers, and I cannot wait till we hit 1,000. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. Look at my unapologetic family growing. Like, look at us. Look at us. But yes, I want to do a giveaway when I hit 1,000. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna be giving away. I know you guys love my luxury dupes, so maybe I'll do that along with some other things. But we cross that bridge when we get there, darling. We'll cross that when we get there. But this is just another segment into my whole session of the Vlogmas Paintmas situation. Not quite sure what I'm calling this, but this one is going to be in the Paintmas section. And I'm going to be showing you how to recreate the look you saw in the beginning. Very easy, very simple, you guys. Sorry for the barking in advance. Construction is still going on, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Yes. So grab your pink kits and let's get into this week's video. Of course, I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy you guys decided to join the family. So thank you to you, and you. Yeah, you too. Yeah. So now grab your kits and let's go. Let's go. Alright, teddies, so I'm starting off as per usual with a clean bare face. Only moisturizer is on my skin, and I'm starting by brushing my eyebrow hairs up. I'm going to lay them as flat as possible. I'm not using my glue stick as I normally would to hold them in place. I'm just going to brush them up to lay them flat because I'm going to be concealing them. Alright guys, now you're going to grab whatever face paint kit you're using. I am using the Mozaz face paint, and I'm going to start off with the flat small angled paint brush that comes along with your kit. And I'm only using this brush because I realize it works best for me when creating certain curved shapes. The small flat brush works as well, but I don't like the thick line it creates. So here what I'm simply doing is starting to create the butterfly wing shape that I want, and I'm going to make them very thin as possible, not too thick, because I don't want the outline to be black. I'm not keeping it black. I just want to create the shape so I know which pattern I'm going to be following thereafter.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting.
Now that I have the shape of the butterfly wing that I like, I'm gonna go in with a deep purple followed by a white, black, hot pink, and a baby blush pink in no particular order. A tip I can give when trying to create any camouflage print is to just freestyle it, free flow, so it looks more cohesive and more like purposeful, like it's supposed to be that way. So like I said, I'm going to start with the purple, this deep royal purple, and I'm not placing it in any particular order. I'm simply just freestyling it and let it flow wherever I feel like it needs to be placed.
Just say you will, come through and chill. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I wanna play in your deep, baby, deep, deep, then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream forever, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep.
Y'all, I had to stop because my son woke up. I don't know how this gonna go, y'all. I'm gonna try paint while soothing him. Listen, this mom life is a real life. Shout out to all the new mommies out there, moms in general. But yeah, we gonna see, y'all. But I have my purple laid already. I have my light pink laid, and I'm gonna go back in after I have the colors where I want them to be to make it more pigmented on my skin. And that's something I have to say with this Mosaic palette. It's very pigmented. It's just you have to go in more if you want to have that deeper rich color. So that's what I'm gonna do after I lay the rest of colors that I'm going to put into this. But yes, let's get back to painting. See how this goes. But it's coming together. It's coming together. So I have a few more colors I want to lay in, and then, like I said, I'm going to go back in and go over them to make it more deeper, more richer with the color. But yeah.
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now we're drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up. You know the feelings deep inside. So what's you? What we've been through. I miss you and you. From my slumber, I wish I could call you up. Miss how you put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow up on me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you've had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools we fall in love, mixing some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever real. Yeah, take my hand. I promise we'll fall love again. Yeah.
Alright, so now that I have the colors of my butterfly wings in place, I'm going to take some silver paint and outline each of the wings. Next, I'm going to go in with 2 shades of pink lipsticks to do an ombre effect on my lip, and I'm going to line my lip to tone down the pinks with some burgundy lip liner. To complete this look, I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer, only in the areas that I really want to pop and have the sun-kissed glow, which is on my cupid's bow and the tip of my nose. And we're done, you guys. Hit the subscribe button and notification bell only if you like the content that you see. Hit the like button and share if you care. You guys, you can go ahead and comment down below if you enjoyed this video and which look I should try next. Tell me your thoughts, you guys. Comment what you think about my purple camouflage butterfly. As always, remember to be you unapologetically, and I will be sure to see you in the next video.